Hey everyone, what's up my people? It's early morning over here, and it shall depend the time while rewatching this video from the far end. But in Africa here, it's morning time, and right now this is early preparation of making blocks. But right now things it's on progress. I don't want to rush things, you know. So step by step, just like I'm climbing the ladder, you know. So right there is my materials, stones, sand, and technically, to be honest and to be sure, tomorrow morning we shall start making blocks. And right now, guys, let me show you our bathroom. So it's just like a kind of a shock, but this is the real life in our village. You see? So this one here, just like I feel like I'm not in safe condition. You can see, and then for example you take a shower inside here and there's maybe people passing there, they can watch you. But right now, by God's grace, I'm trying to make something amazing, you know. So this is how my grandma's house looks like, and right there is my home, and it's not far from here. But today, let me show you. I brought some machine for making blocks. I will use manual. So this one here. In case you don't know, tomorrow we'll start making blocks by using this stuff. And we came with one of my friends here to do. So this is how I'm preparing myself. So for those who asked me about my project, so I didn't resume it, or I didn't pause, but I think tomorrow morning I shall start making blocks, guys. This stuff that you see here, it meant for blocks. Honestly, everything shall be okay, guys. So I wake up in the morning, I'm going to look one of my friends called Nation254. He is a YouTuber like me, and then we try to see. This is how I was looking. And at the same time, guys, I have one of my visitors around at my village here. So I'm trying to manage my time, so to take my visitor around, and at the same time I have my own project. So the time was so fixed, but I'm decided to manage my project. Right, this is how it is. So this is the toilet that I'm going to demolish by God's grace. So it's kind of a shame. Everything that you see here, it's not on a good position. This one that you see here, and maybe when you make a mistake, you see this the hole. So when you step here, your life is going. And then I didn't trust these trees called graveria. I don't trust, because when you step here, your life is gone. So let me take you to my project, and everything shall be okay. Oh man. So today it's all about resuming to my videos. Ooh, this is my stone over here. Yes, I'm good.
Wow. I'm seeing
everything
is in the position.
How
are you? Hello guys.
I'm good.
This is Nation_254. And guys, if it's your first day to watch this video, please show love to my brother. Consider subscribing, and thank you so much for returning subscriber for supporting my brother and baby. And he's a unique and amazing.
Okay, Nation.
Okay, bro.
This stuff meant for you. I will bring for me this one on the ground.
Yeah.
But I need the big one, because when you make when you use because of the sun, you stand. I'm looking the angle, guys. Right here is okay. When you use a bigger one,
okay,
in terms of constructing our toilet, I can use a few days rather than this. So we try to mix. We can make 100 blocks for this one, and then 100 blocks for another big one. How did you see?
I can see it's good, but I told you the difference between this one and the other one is 1 and 3 inches.
Okay.
That one is big, 1 inch, and that one is big, coming this way, 1 inch. 1 inch is like my finger here. You see this one. This
1 inch, 1 inch.
That is the.
So this one is okay.
That is the different, but they are the same. They are the same.
All right, so we can use this one. So guys, tomorrow morning, trust me, this video, it's a preparation of my making blocks here. So I brought one of my friend there called Nation 254. Go and check him, subscribe to his channel. So I think tomorrow morning we shall come to make these blocks, and then we shall arrange on this field that you see here. Maybe from that way, go that way. From that point, going that way, guys. I mean, so at the same time, my brother made bricks right there. So this is my grandma cow. They really try to graze because it's meant for milking and all stuff. So right now, this is how my brother's bricks looks like. Right, I must show you, but I think yesterday I was here, so this is the bricks. So I think everything shall be okay and fantastic. So right now they were making bricks here, some muddy and prepare. So I need to greet my grandma, my great grandma. What's up? Good. Right, I need to greet my grandma. It's a long time. Go. Okay. Yes, basking. She wanna bask sun from that point. Buyori. Sante ho keria. Yeah, matafari na karoti hai. Okay. So I'm telling her I came to greet her, and then I was coming to check my project, materials, bricks, and then she wanna say thank you for visiting her. But guys, because of the time, like today, wake up in the morning, going to look that stuff for making blocks, and then I came right now. So I wanna greet her and then I'm go, because you know, when you want to be a good leader in a committee or in community, you must be very, very hardworking and intelligent. But I'll try my best to make a good thing the whole community. Yes, so I'm saying let's go, be blessed. So I want to explain that, and sorry for interruption of our vernacular language, but it is what it is, guys. Everything should be okay, and I thank Almighty God. I want to finish my project by God's power and stuck on time. So I'm calling that my young brothers or my neighbor. We're going to take some tea. So guys, by God merciful, and God's power and God's glory shall guide me, I will finish my project. And guys, through your prayer, everything shall be okay, you know. So yeah, touch on like. So this is how everything looks like, and this, in case you're new here, this is how my home looks like. And today, man, I didn't maybe to be talk much more and more, but to make around 350 blocks, I think it can finish my project or my toilet. The range there. So let me show you the cement that I was bought, I think, last week. No more hide, guys. I can't hide things, you know. So here we have some water. So I think yesterday even I showed you that cement, but I showing you which can going to be work. this one you have already see one bag. So because it was not in good condition, right? And going to that point, yeah. I cannot more with more. Okay. So, so let's remove our jacket, and then we need to take our breakfast. Oh. Hey guys, I'm struggling. I'm struggling. I'm struggling, guys. So I need to remove the jacket. And because I wake up early in the morning, so everything shall be okay. So I'm sending him to bring some cups.
Hello, baby in the village.
Yes. I need to open. Yes, bro.
Oh, you are not dead.
Because of the security. You see, I'm so crazy. I keep you some mirror. Right.
Oh, the day I think the last day I came here, I didn't found this one. What happened?
The new look.
The new look,
for
bro.
Step case.
Hey, man.
Those step.
Guys, what do you think, man? This guy is trying to chase me.
No. Me, I'm just making things slowly.
Wow.
Hey.
This is what we call changing the narrative of the village. Yeah, as well.
Right, you welcome into my house.
Wow, let me come, man.
And you have a seat
And the last day I came,
no table. That's alright.
Guys, man.
Right. So let me check some tea over here. Because guys, no light here. And we take our plain tea. So, but it's a good thing. Yeah. Today, call it. Today I didn't buy some bread because no money. But when I get money, okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, bro.
Hey, I'm talking chai. Whew. Guys, God bless this tea before I take it. Amen.
Wow. This is we call it village life. We have to work on it.
Alright, guys, so stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. You know, this is how my house looks like. In case you're new here, you made it possible right now. I fixed the ceiling board going that way and with a new style, and then I paint my wall, putting tiles. And I remember the day that I was putting ceiling board and tiles, people ask me, "Hello baby, just paint your wall." So right now you see, and then we changed to the next project, which is my toilet. And in case you're new here, just subscribe to my channel. Load to 5K subscriber, and I think that is my only issue that I have here. You join my YouTube, subscribe, like, comment, and always positive vibes. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby, and don't skip ads, guys. You know. And also, guys, go and check Nation 254.
Nation 254 as well, and I'm here, guys. And guys, you know, road to 1,000 subscriber. I'm there struggling.
You are half of 1K.
Yeah, half of one. Road to 1,000, and also, guys, if you're new here, road to 5,000 subscriber. Push my brother. You know what, bro? You know what, guys? We can't make without you, so we need you to go there and see amazing video, amazing vlog. And from tomorrow, guys, I will be here helping each other with my brother here.
Yeah. So, guys, because I didn't have cash, so we tried to talk with my brother here. They make me my box 300. When I get money later, I will pay him. So
no worry, man.
Yes, because last week I was going around, no one who can respond. But I thank God, you're the one who only healing my pain.
Man. So we have to walk. That is the way that we
Yes.
can walk in the village, guys. And guys, I used to tell my brother we have to make this thing to be happen because also we need to push the progress as well. So guys, I will be here with my brother as well, although he don't have money right now. But we're going to walk together, and then the day will check me out as well. Wow. It's
Yeah.
okay, guys.
Alright guys, it's around I think 30 USD. So when I get maybe the end of this month, I'll pay him. No worries. So you just enjoy your breakfast.
Wow.
Okay. This is mine. There's my brother over there.
Guys, don't mind. This is the village life. That is the way we live, man. Don't mind. Yeah.
Guys, don't ask me any question or crazy question. That why do you take plenty tea? So when I have money, I could buy some bread. So right now, I'm enjoying the plenty tea. No problem, guys. Like yesterday lunchtime, I took rice, so there is no need to make or to prepare a rice every day. So it's okay. Alright guys, so it's time to leave. We have already finished our breakfast.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome. So I need to collect this utensil back to the kitchen. And I left my house or my village right now, so I need to prepare myself earlier because tomorrow morning there's no issue maybe to struggle right and left.
I've left my stand here.
You take. Yeah. So I put it here. Here. Wow, guys. This is yesterday ugali. So, so let me close my house, and then we left. Mkwabi. Okay. So no one is here. I'm calling my brother in the next house. So no one is here. So let me close my house. And then I will left right now. So time is not money. Right? So I put like this, the reason why guys I put the curtain like this, and then I left this this gap so for the ventilation of clean air. So the moment I came, there's enough good air, so I don't want maybe to close the whole house, and we need enough and clean air. So there is my time to leave. Mkwab, no one is here. Oh, not Nancy. So I was calling my brother, so it's here. So when I'm leaving the house, so in case you're new here, I want to show you my project. In case for those who are joining my videos, I have my own project here, and which is very, very special. And man, I'm so grateful to be here, and that's the reason why I take care of my family, right? So I want to show people, in case for those who join this video, in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, and also share. So right now this is my project that I was keep running with this, you see. So from this point up that way it's 8 feet, and from here to there it's 4 feet, and deep it's 20 feet. So you can see it's very, very deep. So maybe man, maybe when I get, by God willing, maybe when I will have great grandchildren, it can be full. But right now it can serve around 60 years to 50 years. Oh, so it's our time to leave, I think, right now. So we're heading to Nyabuhanse. I need to charge this my power bank because went off, and at the same time my phone went off, so I took my phone early in the morning. So right now I'm going to exchange. When I take my phone and then I charge this power bank because no solar panel on this house at my home here, so I'm really struggling. Wow, but it is what it is. This is how our village chickens looks like. Wow, wow, guys, everything's enough. Wagwan. 20. Yeah? Amekuta tora kamia mora na ni wapo de vivene hiki nali.
This is mnyama. Eh?
Oh, let's go. It's okay. So no fuel on my motorbike. I took it. Karatui. So it can fit 4 people. Right. So we're heading this way. So I'm going to check my phone at Nyabuhanse, and it's far from here. And then at the same time my motorbike doesn't have phone. So you know what it is. It's time to leave. Wow. Hello baby, so now we're here. Come another one here. Beautiful scenery, guys.
Bro,
Yes.
have you think about to travel outside the country?
Yeah, that's my first dream.
Okay.
My first dream. When I finish maybe my project and everything should be okay, when I'm getting my passport, I'm ready to travel. Woo. Guys, I came from far, heading far, so I'm not looking backward, I'm looking forward. Oh, I'm looking forward. So my motorbike is struggling to climb over here. So we finished the hill place. Oh, that's the maize cone right there. Hey. Right, man, stay tuned. Alright, man, so I'm just inside at my uncle's car. So he brought here for cleaning. Hey, man, maybe I'm dreaming one day I'll drive my own car, like for my uncle. So it's a clean car, comfortable. My uncle's camera is right here, Hero 12. So just flowing with vibes. So we came for the car wash right here. So maybe after this we wanna head to somewhere else. So right there, that's my motorbike over here. So they keep working hard. This is the car wash. So let me show you guys. This is the car wash called pressure washer, this one here. And maybe this is the shed. Like for me, when I came to wash my motorbike here, I must come and chill and watching. This is the tarmac road. You see the car is passing over there. Wow. So I came and then I wait my motorbike to be washed, for example, right now. See right there. So and then I'm chilling on this beautiful shed. So guys, every day I thank God I got a new member on my YouTube channel. That's a big thing. I really appreciate you. Keep supporting me until the end, and may God bless you wherever you are abundantly, guys. So right here, this is my jet. Flying jet, guys, no problem. We call Honda. Hey, nowadays he's taking me. You see that guy? He's transporting goods from border town. Maybe he ran faster. Maybe he have a legal business. So this is how it looks like. This is my motorbike. I thank God nowadays I have my own motorbike. Yeah, it takes me around my village, guys. Guys, I was coming to border town and then all of a sudden my motorbike no gas. Whew. So I'm trying to find another way. So I'm really request from my friend here to keep pulling me up to total. Guys, I was pushing this motorbike like 800 meter apart. Ready? Hey man, nivute hadi kwa toto. Njoo. Yeah. Nara koretere kano manye. Tanu tambe. So we tied here. Atana ko. Yes. So I want to pull it. My motorbike. What the fuck?
Sawa. Aika kokabamsikariga. Tabo higa. Afya tabakariga takabita tafuta kamba itarudi mara mbili. Maana bona mubira bene. Usugitundi. Eno tatianskume. Entako sukumironde. Taruho. Entako sukumironde be ningo tola mutanko.
All right, guys. Hey. Hey. All right, guys. So let me pull it. Hey. So let me push around. No problem. So this is how border town looks like, guys. So crazy situation. I'm pulling it again. Hey, it's already happened. No gas here. So guys, this is how border town looks like, and it's a crazy situation. It's a crazy situation. So I need to fuel here, guys. I'm back. Yeah. Wow. So for 5 years,
Olha quadro. Como é que é?
so it's 5 years over here. So it's my time to leave. So I think everything shall be okay, guys, right now. It's a distance, so I think everything shall be okay. So I'm leaving right now. To the next destination. Hey, you see a tourist car right there. Right there, guys. Right there's a tourist car. So I was coming from the petrol station. So hey guys, I was pushing or pulling a load, guys. So we didn't hear. It's my uncle's car. Right. Right, this is the petrol station called Total. And it's a distance from Nyabohansi up to here. Most of the time I'm fuel here, and then when I came border town with my uncle, so my fuel cut off. I keep pull it or pushing up to here. Yeah. Asikuna mtu atakuwekea. Acha nimwambie. Right, so we need to put some pressure. Okay guys, so it's time to leave. That's my uncle. So I thank him. So right now he puts for me the fuel of the gas for 7 USD money. It can keep pushing me the whole 4 days. So you don't know my uncle, in case you're new here, it's David Jr. guys. So he came from this point here. This is a tourist vehicle. So time to leave right now. So guys, stay tuned. Wow guys, so over here actually it's evening time. So I came back home. I take around myself around, so I need to end this video here for today. And it's a special day for me, and I thank God for this far. But tricky situation happened for me on this motorbike. I was going to border town, I with my uncle, but my uncle used a comfortable car. But mine, when I'm riding, the fuel went off. And I hope you wanna enjoy that videos, you wanna see. And then I'm trying to pull it. I get one of Boda rider. I said, oh my friend, you wanna escort me by lifting me? And maybe tight at the front, maybe some rope or bladder. So things went wrong. But I thank God, I keep trying to push myself until to the petrol station. And right now, everything should be okay. My uncle put for me some gas, around 7 USD money. I wanna appreciate him because all the time when he's still around the village, he keeps supporting me, and I really appreciate him in the other way. So right now, guys, I came here. So right now, and then I make the hairstyle now. I make the hairstyle. So I'm trying to make this hair like the way you see at the back, because maybe the end of this year I will put dreadlocks. That's my thinking capacity. But in another way, this is how evening looks like. And actually this is my residence, or my residence home, where I'm born and raised, and I'm doing everything. So let me wear the cape, you know. Alright, so I'm going to wear the jacket because right now we have a lot of rain, so we have coldness on the motorbike. So I need to wear the I need to wear the gumboot and jacket. I think I will be safe. So I wanna take care of myself, you know. So right now I'm heading this way. And guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this video. This is on a highway over here. Alright, so let me check my local time. It's evening time over here. And then I'll press like this. It's 18:09. So in other way, it's 6:09 p.m. We're almost heading to night time. So as you can see, we have a lot of rain. But yesterday, tomorrow, I wanna start making vlogs. Be aware, and I hope you wanna enjoy these videos. You can see we have a lot of rain. This is stagnant water. And guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. I wanna say bye bye, guys.